In Excel, you can remove duplicates, you can highlight duplicates, but what if you want a list of duplicates? Here's how you can create that. Let's start off by using the COUNTIF function. The range is going to be the column that you want to check for duplicates, comma, and the criteria is that same column. Now you have a count of how many times each of those items occurred in the list. Jump back into the formula, and at the end of the formula type greater than or equal to 2. This will tell us which items occur more than once. Let's jump back into the formula. At the beginning of the formula, after the equal sign, type in filter. Then we're going to highlight our list of values, comma, leave the COUNTIF function that we just put in there, and close that off. Hit enter. Now we have a list of all the duplicate values. And last, at the beginning of the formula, type in the unique function, close that off. Now we have a unique list of duplicate values.